Discover a smarter way to stay connected with your dentist anytime and anywhere. Welcome to the How to Use guide of iTrack Live, the AI-powered real-time intraoral video consultation facility of Illusion Aligners app to connect with your dentist through iTrack Live. You need to first book an appointment with the dentist. Open the app, scroll towards the left, click on the iTrack Live option. Click on Request Now. You will see the days and timings on which your dentist is available. Go ahead and select the iTrack Live date and timings as per your requirement. Click on Request. There you go, the request is sent. This step works this way. If you are an iPhone user, for Android users, this process is slightly different, which we will explore later in the video. Immediately, the dentist receives a notification asking for an iTrack Live appointment confirmation. Once the dentist confirms your appointment, you will receive an appointment confirmation notification. If the dentist wishes to reschedule your appointment request, the dentist will send you 3 alternative appointment slots. You will receive these suggestions in the notification. Click on the notification icon. Select one of the appointment slots as per your availability and confirm the appointment. Your dentist gets immediately notified about it. If needed, without any prior appointment, your dentist can directly initiate an iTrack Live session by calling you through the app. In this case, you will receive a notification saying that your doctor is calling you. Tap to join. Click on Accept to join the call. Click on Agree and Continue. There you go, your call has started. Now, always remember to join the call as per your confirmed appointment slot. For your assistance, a reminder will be displayed on the home page of the app. Alternatively, if you wish to check the date and time of your confirmed upcoming appointment, click on More, present at the bottom right corner, click on Appointments. Here, you will be able to see your upcoming appointments with the dentist. To join the call, as per your confirmed appointment, click on the Join button on the home page. Click on Accept, and then Agree and Continue. Once the call has started, you can ask all the questions and discuss your issues with your dentist. Remember, this is not a normal video calling facility. iTrack Live is an AI-powered real-time intraoral video consultation, offering you everything you need to get successful treatment outcomes. First, let us explain the control panel buttons. Using this button, you can mute the call. Using this button, you can switch between the front and the back camera. After switching to the back camera, you will see an additional option for torch. Click on the torch button to switch on the flashlight. Click here to end the call. For a real-time dental evaluation, your dentist will ask you to wear the iScope 360 in your mouth. While keeping the call on, just attach the iScope 360 to your smartphone, while ensuring that the camera lens is at the center of the iScope 360. Any shift in this position will prevent you from capturing intraoral pictures properly. Your dentist would want to evaluate your teeth from different angles. To make this simple, your dentist will initiate an audio and on-screen guide while also continuously guiding you on the next steps. Switch to your back camera. Wear the iScope 360. Your teeth should be bright and perfectly centered on the teeth. Your dentist will capture your teeth in 5 different views. First is the front view, which will be your default position after wearing the iScope 360. Next is the left view, indicated with the help of this arrow and audio guidance. Then the right view, indicated with the help of this arrow and audio guidance, to show your complete bite from the right side. Next is the upper view. Open your mouth slightly and tilt your eye scope and phone downwards to show the chewing surface of your upper teeth. Last is the lower view. Open your mouth slightly and tilt your eye scope and phone upwards to show the chewing surface of your lower teeth. This will be indicated by this arrow and audio guidance. After capturing your teeth, your dentist will assess the tooth movement, perform live AI analysis, and plan the next steps in your treatment journey. At the end of the call, the dentist can even share the entire AI-generated consultation report with you, which you can later check by clicking on the Reports section. Now, if you are using an Android phone, this process works slightly differently. In the Android phone, once you select a consultation slot, a Scan Now button would be displayed at the button. Go ahead, click on it. You will be asked to select the reason for your iTrack Live session. You have to select whether the iTrack Live is for a regular follow-up or an iTrack consultation. Go ahead, select your reason, answer the questions, and attach the iScope 360 to your smartphone. Skip the instructions. Wear the iScope 360 and capture images in 5 different views. Once done, click on Request. The dentist will then have to accept your appointment request and confirm the appointment. During the call, your dentist will evaluate your teeth with the help of the uploaded images, perform their live AI analysis, and then plan the next steps in your treatment journey. That's it, guys. That's iTrack Live. This is not just a feature. This is the future of your dental journey. For any further queries or assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to your dentist.